Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up IR controls for the sound volume in NVIDIA Shield. And to do this you'll need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here scroll down to the device preferences and open display and sound. Here scroll down to the sound tab and go for the volume control. There's a setup IR and click on it. Here select the device that outputs sound from a Shield, and in this case I'm having a TV. If you have the soundbar connected or any other receiver or whatever the settings appear here, then choose a specific one. And so let's go for TV. In this case, is this a Samsung TV? Yes it is, and point the Shield accessory at the TV to do a quick volume test. And yep, let's try that. So test code 1. Did the volume change? I think it did, so let's click on yes. Now the IR is set up and we can try to use volume buttons on our remote. And you can see that the audio out is changing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.